The night view of the whole city is so great, so beautiful. Wow. See that? Can you see that? Look at the mountain. Can you see the small mountain? Oh. So, today the outside is a little bit rainy and the road is wet, so it's very dangerous to ride a motorbike. And like yesterday, I have leave a hotel here for it's good, and it's $7 a day, and day I will move to another one. Is the youth hostel, and is only $5. And let's go. So let's go. Let's move to another hostel. It's raining. I just have check-in, and this is the place I'm going to sleep tonight. And it's have a small yard. I can park my motorbike here. Sunshine is coming. And here I am now, and tomorrow I'm gonna ride through this line to. Tomorrow I'm gonna ride to here. This is the altitude, and Lansing River, Golden River. Lansing River is also in the lower course. It's called the Mekong River, and this one is Yangtze River. This is color. Those are sacrifice face more close. They always make those things scary to let people scared about it, respect about it. I believe Buddha. And the Buddha is from India. But now, India just few people that believe Buddha. Most of the Indians that believe Hindu. It's quite interesting.
你知道邊度 starting point 啊？係啦，你因為你知道你轉幾個窿。
If the column moves, it means like the Buddha protected you.